Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard maths, chapter 8, exercise 8.7. Now we are going to see about the Euler's theorem. What is that Euler's theorem? See here, if f is a homogeneous, function, f is a homogeneous function. F is a homogeneous function, lambda of, that is f of lambda x comma lambda y, f of lambda x comma lambda y, you can substitute, or tx comma ty, you can write anything, tx comma ty, f of tx comma ty equal to t power n into f of x comma y. Suppose f of tx comma ty comma tz, any constant you can take it, it's your choice. It gives t power n into f of x comma y comma z. Here n is the power of, n is the degree of, n is the power, it is a degree of f. It is a degree of f. So what is Euler's theorem? We can use this for Euler's theorem. What is Euler's theorem? F is a homogeneous function. F is a homogeneous function. F is a homogeneous function. F is a homogeneous function with degree n. F is a homogeneous function with the degree n. F is a homogeneous function with degree n. Then what is the formula? X into dou f by dou x plus y into dou f by dou y equal to n times f. F is a homogeneous function. F is a homogeneous function with a degree n. Then we can apply the formula for what? X into dou f by dou x plus y into dou f by dou y equal to n times f. See the first sum. Whether the following function is homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, you should find out the degree of the function. See here, you can take down the first sum. What we have seen yearly, f of x comma y, you can substitute x by tx and y by ty, then you can get the value of the power, that is the degree of n. So you take it as f of tx comma ty. You can substitute the value x by tx and y by ty. It gives tx the whole square into ty, tx the whole square into ty, plus 6 into tx the whole cube plus 7. So t square x square into ty, t square x square into ty plus 6 into t cube x cube plus 7. So it gives t cube x square y plus 6 t cube x cube plus 7. See here, t cube. Here also t cube is there. But there is no t cube term in this, the third term. The third term there is no t cube term. So we cannot able to t cube out. Okay. Is it clear? See, here also t cube is there. Here also t cube is there. If suppose it is t cube is there, you can take it as t cube out. But there is no t cube term here. So we cannot take t cube term out. So f is not here. F of x comma y is not a homogeneous function. If it is a homogeneous function only, we can able to find out the degree. F of x comma y is not a homogeneous function. It's not a homogeneous function. See the second sum. h of x comma y, h of x comma y. The same thing you can substitute h of tx comma ty. Instead of x you can substitute by tx, y by ty. It gives 6 tx the whole square. Next ty the whole cube, ty the whole cube minus pi into y. Y is nothing but what? Ty the whole power 5 plus 9 into tx the whole power 4 into ty. Tx the whole power 4 into ty by whole divided by 2020 into tx the whole square plus 2019 into ty the whole square, ty the whole square. So it gives 6 into t square x square, 6 into t square x square, t cube y cube, t cube y cube minus pi into t power 5 y power 5 plus 9 into t power 4 x power 4 into ty whole divided by 2020 t square x square, t square x square plus 2019 t square y square, 2019 t square y square. See here, it gives 6 of t cube plus t square. See here, t cube t square into t cube. If the bases are same, you can add the powers. So t power 5 x square y cube minus pi into t power 5 y power 5 plus 9 into t power 4 into t power 1, t power 4 plus 1. So it gives t power 5 into x power 4 y whole divided by 2020 t square x square plus 2019 t square y square. See, t power 5 is common in the numerator, t square is common in the denominator. It should be like this. Okay, if it is common, you can take the values out. So t power 5 you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 6 x square y cube. Then you can check it. This is f of x comma y, h of x comma y. Okay, see here, x square y cube minus pi into y power 5 plus 9 into x power 4 y by t square you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 2020 x square plus 2090 y square. What is the value for this? This is nothing but what? H of x comma y. It should be like this. If the values are changed, it is not a homogeneous function. See here, 6x square y cube minus pi y power 5 plus 9x power 4 y, 2020 x square plus 2019 y square. You cancel the term. What is the value for this? T cube. So you will write t cube h of x comma y, t cube h of x comma y, t cube h of x comma y, t cube h of x comma y. This is the degree. This is the value of n. So n equal to 3. That is nothing but what? This is the degree. N equal to 3. Therefore, should write, therefore h of x comma y is a h of x comma y is a homogeneous function. H of x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree. Homogeneous function of degree 3. H of x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree 3. Is it clear, children? See the third subdivision. G of x comma y comma z equal to root of 3x square plus 5y square plus z square by 4x plus 7y. Then you can substitute g of tx comma ty comma tz. G of tx comma ty comma tz equal to root of 3tx the whole square. 3tx the whole square plus 5ty the whole square plus 7tz the whole square. 7tz the whole square by 4 of tx plus 7ty. 7ty. Then you can take the value. See here, g of, it gives root of 3t square x square plus 5t square y square plus 7t square z square by 4tx plus 7ty. 4tx plus 7ty. So it gives root of x square is common. You can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 3t square plus 5y square plus 7z square by t is common. So you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 4x plus 7y. You can take it as t square is common. T square is common. I can take it out. Sorry, t square is common. I can take it out. 3x square plus 5y square plus 7z square by t into 4x plus 7y. You can take it from the root. What is the value you are getting? T into root of 3x square plus 5y square plus 7z square by t into 4x plus 7y. 4x plus 7y. See here t is common. T square x square, t square y square, t square z square. So I can take it t square out, not x square. T square out. So it became what? 3x square plus 5y square plus 7z square. Is it clear? See here, this is the value of, see the value of g of x comma y comma z. So it gives t by t into g of x comma y comma z. So it's also power 1, same power. So you bring it to the numerator. It became what? 1 minus 1 into g of x comma y comma z. It gives t power 0 into x comma y comma z. So you should write g is a homogeneous function. G is a homogeneous function. G is a homogeneous function of degree 0. G is a homogeneous function of degree 0. Is it clear? See, you can take the value of u of tx comma ty comma tz equal to tx comma ty comma tz equal to tx into ty plus sine of ty the whole square minus 2 into tz the whole square by tx into ty. So it gives t into t square xy, t square xy plus sine of t square y square minus 2t square z square, t square z square by t square xy, t square xy. So it gives t square xy plus sine of t square xy plus sine of, you can take it t square commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Y square minus 2z square by y square minus 2z square by t square into xy. T square get cancelled. See here, t square get cancelled. So it gives t square xy plus sine of y square minus 2z square by xy. But t square is there. There is no t square term. We cannot able to t square term out. Okay. It is not possible to take t square term out. So what is this? So u is not a homogeneous function. U is not a homogeneous function. I hope you understood, children. U is not a homogeneous function. See here, t square is there, but in the second term t square value is not there. So we cannot t square term out. So in this case it is not a homogeneous function. See, second sum, prove that f of x comma y equal to x cube minus 2x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube is homogeneous. Then what is the degree? Then you should find out, verify it is here. Verify Euler's theorem. See here, first can write f of x comma y equal to x cube minus 2x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. F of tx comma ty, f of tx comma ty equal to tx the whole cube minus 2 into tx the whole square into ty plus 3 into tx into ty the whole square plus ty the whole cube plus ty the whole cube. So it gives t cube x cube minus 2 t square x square into ty plus 3 into tx into t square y square plus t cube y cube. So it gives t cube x cube minus 2 t cube x square y, t cube x square y plus 3 t cube x y square, t cube x y square plus t cube y cube. So you can take it as t cube commonly out. What is the remaining thing? X cube minus 2x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. See the value of f of x comma y, x cube minus 2x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. It is nothing but what? See, t cube into f of x comma y, t cube into f of x comma y. So t cube f of x comma y, what is the degree of n? N equal to 3. Therefore f is a homogeneous function. F is a homogeneous function. F is a homogeneous function of degree 3. f is a homogeneous function of degree 3. If it is a homogeneous function, we can apply Euler's theorem. You will write by Euler's theorem. By Euler's theorem, x into dou f by dou x plus y into dou f by dou y equal to n times f. N times f. So what is the value of n here? N equal to 3. So x into dou f by dou x plus y into dou f by dou y equal to 3f. Then we should verify that Euler's theorem is correct or not. See here. See the verification part. Verification. Dou f by dou x, partial differentiation. F with respect to x. So it becomes 3x square minus 4xy. I have to differentiate only on x because it is a partial differentiation. Plus 3 into 1 into y square. There is no x term, so it becomes 0. So what is the value for this? 3x square minus 4xy plus 3y square. Next, x into dou f by dou x, because this is the formula, x into dou f by dou x plus y into dou f by dou y. So x into 3x square minus 4xy plus 3y square. So what is the value? X into dou f by dou x. X into dou f by dou x equal to, you can multiply x inside, 3x cube minus 4x square y plus 3x y square. Next, dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou y, first term there is no y term, so it becomes 0. Minus 2x square into 1. Y become 1. Plus 3x into 2y. Differentiation of y square is what? 2y. Plus 3y square. Plus 3y square. So what is the value of dou f by dou y? What is the value of dou f by dou y? Minus 2x square plus 6xy plus 3y square. Then y into dou f by dou y. Y into dou f by dou y. Y into minus 2x square plus 6xy plus 6xy plus 3y square plus 3y square. So y into dou f by dou y equal to, you can multiply y inside, minus 2x square y plus 6xy square, 6xy square plus 3y cube. Then we verify the Euler's theorem. See here, x into dou f by dou x plus y into dou f by dou y equal to, what is the value of x into dou f by dou x? 3x square minus 4x square y plus 3x y square. What is the value for this? Minus 2x square y plus 6xy square plus 3y cube. So what is the answer? 3x square minus 4x square y minus 2x square y minus 6x square y 3xy square 6xy square 9xy square plus 9xy square plus 3 y cube plus 3y cube. So x into dou f by dou x plus y into dou f by dou y equal to 3 is common. So you can take it out. 3 into what is the value? X square minus 2x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube plus y cube. Okay, is it nothing but what? F of x comma y. It is nothing but f of x comma y. See here. So see, this is x cube. X cube. It is nothing but what? F of x comma y. 3x cube minus 2x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. It is nothing but what? F of x comma y. So it gives 3 of f of x comma y. So it is verified. So x into dou f by dou x plus y into dou f by dou y equal to 3 of f of x comma y. Hence verified. Hence verified the Euler's theorem.